this is the second to the last part. Maybe we can talk about the computations. Kasi sigurado ang ating mga viewers, inaabangan yan nila on how much is the reservation fee, how long will be the pre-selling terms pa, and then the financing options.
Yeah. Though for this one, we could just say the terms, but when it comes to the exact amount, because again, yun nga, it varies depending on
kung kailan nyo napanood yung video na to.
I-invest because again, our price is continually increasing. So for our payment terms, ano ba yung mga payment terms natin dito?
Our standard is 10, 30, 60. So 10% down payment, 30% stretched in number of months because it's decreasing depending when you will reserve. So, and you count ng months to when the turn over. And then the rest, which is the 60%, is for bank financing, or you can also pay in cash.
Habang hindi pa na-turn over, it's still 0% interest.
That's right.
Yes.
And also for the reservation fee, it's 100,000.
For sure, sure buyer ang mga magre-reserve, of course, with Rockwell. Kasi makita mo pa lang yung unit, I think, mapapa-reserve ka talaga. And hindi ko magdadalawang isip with what you are investing on. So in summary, after the reservation, you have to pay spot 10%. And then for the 30%, stretch DP. So that is a zero interest. Depending on the months nga, kung ilan pa yung remaining on when you are going to reserve. Or, yung promo nila today, they have the 15% stretch.
Yeah. So, what are we waiting for? Let's see the condo tour that we have for the last part of this video. Feel free to watch the condo tour. So I hope you've enjoyed our condo tour for today. Feel free to contact us for more information. And again, we're really more than happy to guide and help you acquire your first Rockwell investment here in Angeles City, Pampanga.
So thank you for watching, guys. And of course, thank you, Miss Carla of Rockwell, for joining us today on our video.
See you soon!
Bye!